Hey, tell me when.
Yeah.
Hey, Lily, tuck.
And toss it and do it again. That was good.
Lily, tuck.
Okay, now this time ask her to back, and so that you wouldn't be sitting in the airport with your legs wide apart. See if you can scoot her back more with your feet.
Lily, tuck. Back.
Ask her more.
Back. Back.
I would take that.